Hi, I'm Matt, and this is a product review of this device right here. This is a moisture meter made by General Tool. You know, I don't have the serial number on it. I've had this thing for a long time, and I don't see the serial number on the back, and I don't think I have the box anymore, but it takes a 9-volt battery. And this thing has served me well. I think this one was about $49. It has the pins, of course, on the top. Sometimes they come a little loose and I got to screw them back in, but they've never failed me. And basically with a moisture meter like this, you go around and stick the pins in. And we're on a second-story building right now, so that's kind of high for second story, but it's because it is early spring and there's no heat up here, so there's a bit of moisture in there. So I have an inspection business, and we inspect residential and a lot of commercial, and so when we see something like this, just to document our findings, which we produce a written report, of course, but to document, we will use the moisture meter, and we'll take a picture of that to show how much moisture was in the material when we inspected the building. So I want to do a review on this one because, you know, this has been a pretty good one. I've had this for several years now, and it hasn't failed me yet. And so if you Google General Tool moisture meter, if you see one that looks like this and you want to spend about $50, I think this is the way to go. That's it.